Now coming to the carcinoma of pancreas, the jaundice is a painless jaundice. It's not painful, is what need to be remembered. Coming to the surgical anatomy of thyroid, from where does superior and inferior thyroid arise? Superior thyroid is from the first branch of axial carotid. Inferior thyroid arises from the thyrocervical trunk of the subclavian, is what you need to remember. Bile duct cancers, what kind of pain do they lead to? Dull, not colicky, dull right upper quadrant pain with dilated intrahepatic bile ducts along with cholestatic jaundice is the essentials in the diagnosis of malignant tumors of the bile duct. Now coming to the claudication, it is a vascular claudication. It will show a good relief if you give rest, very typical of vascular claudication. So you must know differences between neurogenic claudication and vascular claudication. Now doctor, amputation of the leg, when do you want to carry on amputation of the leg? Sepsis is an indication, not a contraindication for the amputation. Shoot me answer. What is the preferred drug for the breast cancer treatment in postmenopausal women? Let me see how many of you are typical oncology oriented. Tamoxifen, simple and sweet answer given by Madhavi, Siri, Kriti, Kamal, everybody. But what is the correct answer? More appropriate answer. Aromatase inhibitors are the ones which are typically preferred, especially in the postmenopausal women, is what need to be anastrozole, that's right, from Varangal. Coming to salivary gland neoplasms, facial nerve involvement is rare, it's not that common. In Graves, the radioactive T3 resin uptake will be typically increased diffusely, it won't be decreased. I am running little faster because of the very short time. I hope that since you answered and worked out the solutions, wherever explanation is needed we will lose some time. Dequervain thyroiditis may, once there is a destruction of the thyroid cells, there will be hypo. Initially there will be hyper. That's the reason radioactive iodine is not always increased, is the point which you need to appreciate. Should be answered. TOC in case of bulimia, who is going to give me the correct answer? In bulimia, what is the treatment of choice? I feel like eating the entire food served in the dinner. How you want to prevent me from doing that? Which drug? Correct, antidepressants, we know that. Which antidepressants? Psychotherapy, very difficult. SSRIs, that's right. Our Anantapur students correctly answered it. Doctor. That is SSRIs, fluoxetine, sertraline, all these things. Then Riddle's thyroiditis usually occur in the middle age, not in the case of the young females. Remaining things are all true. In acute abdomen, if the bowel is not distended until late, if the bowel sounds are variable, there is a severe pain but minimal tenderness. Symptoms are more, signs are less, and rectal bleeding is there. What is your suspicion, doctor? It's more likely to be a ischemic bowel or a strangulated bowel typically presents like that. Should be answered. CMV, what is your drug of choice? Straight one, correct answer. Correct answer. Who will give me the correct answer? Foscarnet by Siri. But let me tell you, एसाइक्लोविर रेसिस्टेंस है तो बेस्ट ड्रग इज फोस्कारनेट. Kriti and Warangal, Dr. Chandrika, Aditi, everybody say GAN cyclovir. So also Vizag, excellent doctor, GAN cyclovir. See, when we read passively in the book we will forget, but when we were challenged, we try to give some answer, it goes wrong and others answer correctly, we will not forget forever. That is the whole purpose of coaching, which our e-learning and broadcast technology is able to help us to achieve that target. Second thing is, I don't need to travel, sit in the bedroom, eating the popcorn and participate in academic discussion. Or I am in the post-operative ward doing my night duty and able to participate. That is the job of e-learning, where geographical barriers are being narrowed down and the whole world is made a global village. Right, doctor? So it is the pancreoloryl test, which is used for the exocrine function testing, where you give this fluorescein orally with breakfast and urinary excretion is examined, and how much appeared in the urine depends upon how many exocrine enzymes are released, is what need to be remembered. In malignant parotid tumors, the facial nerve preservation should always be attempted when the surgical margins of the resection are free of tumor. Why? See, doctor, losing a facial nerve is a huge misery with the asymmetry of the face, etc., etc. That's the biggest punishment cosmetically that you can ever give to the patient. All our attempt is basically to preserve it. If there is a parotid carcinoma, the most minimum procedure is superficial parotidectomy with the nerve preservation, is what you have to ultimately remember. Now, superficial palmar arch mainly gets its flow from ulnar artery, is the one which is larger than radial artery and supplies the superficial palmar arch, as what you can see in this schematic. Now, you have to shoot me two answers. Acute promyelocytic leukemia, all trans retinoic acid. I know every one of you will smash me the answer. Excellent. CML, if I say TOC. Second one, what is your answer? First one, ATRA, everybody said correctly. Second one, excellent, Dr. Siri rightly pointed. Imatinib mesylate is the one which you need to fundamentally remember. Carpal tunnel is caused by hypo, not hyperthyroidism. Dupuytren's contracture may, which joint is involved, doctor? Typically it is the metacarpophalangeal joint which is typically involved, is what need to be fundamentally remembered. Yes, you should be the answer. In methanol, ethylene glycol intoxication, we use an alcoholic dehydrogenase inhibitor. What is that drug called as? Fomepizole. Excellent. Everybody is answering it. I thought Nampally named user says disulfiram. Dr. Siri also has gone wrong. I am very happy this evening. It is not disulfiram, which is aldehyde dehydrogenase inhibitor. Fomepizole, you are right, is alcohol dehydrogenase inhibitor. Very fine things will matter in the entrance, doctor. God lies in small things, is what we need to basically remember. Excellence is after all executing those small things in the precise manner, brings the excellence. Now, MAC increased, MAC decreased, MAC unchanged. You will have a list, doctor. Today evening only, you put steam inhalation and inhale these facts. Reduction in MAC, increase in MAC, normal MAC, etc. Now coming to anesthesia. Propofol is a good drug used in daycare center, but it is very bad drug when it comes to cardiovascular effects. It has a cardiodepressant effect is what need to be fundamentally remembered. Now coming to the anesthesia and the cardiac effects. If you deepen the anesthesia, the reflex arrhythmias are attenuated, not exacerbated. That's the point of interest here. Everything else is true. Halothane can cause ventricular arrhythmia. Sevoflurane is good because it does not sensitize the myocardium. And a raised CO2 hypercarbia can precipitate exosystoles. Some of you are going to be top anesthetists in no time after the entrance. HER2 new receptor positive breast cancer. What is your treatment? Trastuzumab. That's right. Everybody answering it correctly, doctor. Trastuzumab. Trastuzumab. That's right. Dr. Chandrika, Anuja, Varangal, everybody say correct. Trastuzumab. In medulloblastoma, we use craniospinal radiation. And in CT, what is the meaning of 0 Hounsfields and 1000 Hounsfields? The water density is 0, air density is 1000 Hounsfield units, which you have to remember. Cortical bone is plus 1000, fat is minus 50, is the Hounsfield units. Doppler, intensity is decided by basically velocity of the flow. Now, should we answer? Legionella pneumophila. What is the treatment of choice? What is your confident answer? Excellent. Dr. Siri, Chandrika says erythromycin. Dr. Siri says doxy. What is your answer? Huh? Ejithro. Ejithro is our Hyderabad answer. Okay, doc. Erythro is correct as said by Dr. Chandrika. Now coming to the breast cancer. The lumps which are irregular, poorly delineated are classical of carcinoma lumps. Trisomy 18 can very much be detected by chorionic villus sampling. Columnar epithelium lines the endocervical canal. If there is a testicular development failure in a XY karyotype, what is that condition called? Androgen insensitivity syndrome. All the testosterone converts into estrogen and lead to breast development. Hence, phenotype will be like a female. And uterus, tubes, vagina, vulva, they typically will be developing. In fact, a blind vagina is what they typically possess. How do you treat SIADH? Who will shoot me the correct answer? Drug of choice to treat SIADH. One is you will restrict the water intake. One way of treating SIADH. But if you need to give a drug to treat which one do you prefer? Demiclocycline is the one which is preferred. Most of our online students are shooting correct answer. Lithium also. Both the drugs will make collecting tubules resistant to the action of ADH, and they are implicated in diabetes insipidus, nephrogenic.